Just another day of annoying the neighbours. That's loud. Bloody hellfire, that's loud. Bit of vibration issues as well. That's not bad. Severe vibration problem with this. I have a feeling that might move again. And we're getting collisions somewhere as well. I have to work out where that is. See if I can deafen myself again. It's working alright though. Got it going through the variac at the moment. Not bad. And apparently putting a diffuser like that on is supposed to smoothen out the noise from it. I'm still not quite done the work on this though. I'm going to put a full blower, cowling and everything, and a bit of flex hose just curved around like that just to direct the noise a bit better. But other than that, everything is good on this. Very loud. Thanks for watching.